Hi, Aries. Welcome back. All right, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to see what's going on in Aries energy and what you should be aware of. Ooh, became Butterfingers for a minute there, well, didn't I? That's interesting. Aries, you might be dealing with somebody who's an outlaw, okay? This is somebody who's trying to compete with you, trying to cause some kind of um, upheaval, okay? This is somebody that is deep in their emotions, okay? This is somebody who might be like overly sensitive, I want to say. You know, when it comes to emotions, this person could be like overly sensitive. So this person feels rejected by you, okay? They might feel rejected by you. They might be missing you, but regardless, this is somebody who maybe they were uncommittal, okay? And not criminal like I'm thinking. You know what I'm saying? Or maybe they are. Maybe they're both, right? But this is definitely, I feel like, somebody that is missing you here. Okay, this is somebody who wants to move things forward. Maybe they feel like you're non-committal. You know what I mean? Put the energy where it belongs. But Aries, you're definitely coming into this reading as the King of Cups, so you might have Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio in your chart. But it also tells me you're very loving energy, so you're very sensitive to other people's needs. Okay, so right, can we get some more information? You're very much aware and you are very sympathetic to other people's needs. So why this person is coming and feeling this certain kind of way is, I don't know, but we will find out. Okay. It looks like somebody walked away from somebody. Okay, put the energy where it belongs. This might be somebody who's a younger energy than you, might be a earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Okay, this is what came out. So you might be dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, or a Capricorn here. This is somebody who is a hard worker. They might be going to school. Maybe they're going to college. Maybe they went away for college. Okay, or something like that. Maybe this might be your own child, possibly. Okay, I'm just gonna put it out there, but that's what I'm getting. I am seeing somebody leaving the past behind, moving forward, distancing themselves from another party. I'm also seeing a happy home, but I'm also seeing some kind of legal problems around this legal home, like a legal problem, possibly about a family or about the home, something where the justice is going to have to come in and get involved, okay? And this might have something to do with an inheritance, but doesn't necessarily have to be, but it could very well be, right? And it might also have something to do with a group of people who are possibly your family or this person's family, okay? Um, for one of you, this is your child, okay? This is not a romantic partner like I thought. This is your own child. Your child is about to go through some kind of legal problems where they're going to get in trouble for doing something that they are not supposed to be doing, okay? And it does look like you're going to have to defend them or you're going to have to come up with a large amount of money here. Unfortunately, I'm so sorry. And you are going to have a group of people who are going to come up, possibly come up to help you out, and or it could be a group of people who are going to come against you, okay? With the Hermit card, it makes me feel like there's going to be a certain amount of wisdom and a certain amount of truth that is going to come out in court, okay? So there's a good chance that if this is your child is being falsely accused, okay? um yeah. Now, if this is a person that you're in a romantic situation with, then this was somebody who was non-committal, okay, and might actually be criminal as well, right? And it's the same thing. This person's possibly going to go through some kind of legal issues, right? And it might have something to do with family issues. Might also have something to do with a marriage, family issues, a home. So when I say a home, it might be property, right? What else? Money or an inheritance. But what am seeing here, Aries, though, is that even though you are going to go through some kind of tribulations here where you are going to have to help, possibly help this person or come in and do something with this person, I do see that it's going to come out in your favor, okay? So whatever it is that you want to happen is actually going to happen in this situation. I do feel like you're going to be very happy with the outcome of how everything falls into place. Okay. Did you want me to find out what exactly illegal that this person did? Is that something y'all want to know? All right, let me just see if I could figure it out and see what it is. Okay, we're seeing somebody who is a boss. Maybe this person did something or said something to a boss, or they were trying to compete against a boss figure. Let's go ahead. There are some actions being done here. Something happened here that wanted to come out. Seven of Wands. Maybe this person was trying to. What? Okay, so this person was going to try to defend themselves, stand their ground. Aries, there's a good chance that this person's going to end up finding themselves in some kind of legal problems. There's a good chance that it's because they were trying to defend you, okay? And this might be for one of you. This person might end up be trying to defend you and find themselves in a bad situation. Maybe defend you against a teacher, an institution, maybe a police officer, because that's an institution, okay? um, somebody in a law authority or a school, or somebody who's in the family who works in that field. Okay, so I do feel like this person is going to end up getting themselves in trouble for defending you. Okay, I feel like you are the king of wands here. Yeah, okay, and that might be for one of you. For another one of you, this person is going to get in trouble for defending a fire sign. Okay, doesn't necessarily have to be you, but I do feel like it is going to be you, and it might have something to do with family. So this is going to be a family dispute going on here. Mm. And I do see here that you are going to end up turning to this person. So, okay, you very well are see how you're traveling toward them. So it makes me feel like you might turn to this person because of these problems. Something that is illegal could be somebody that is doing this to you. Okay, somebody who is taking advantage of you. Okay, the Hierophant is somebody who doesn't care. That is somebody who will do anything illegal to just get, to have the upper hand. You know what I'm saying? That is somebody who doesn't care. Like, they don't care about laws or anything like that. That is somebody who has no morals. There's nothing beneath them. They are capable. They will do anything, and they are very capable of anything. Might be even a Taurus. Okay, could be somebody who has Taurus in their chart, but doesn't necessarily have to. Okay, but I do see this person as being somebody who is gonna break the rules, and it might be something to do with breaking the rules against your inheritance, property, home, or a marriage. Okay, and it very well could end up happening in a church. Something might happen in a church, an institution, something like that, guys. All right, but things are gonna work out, Aries. Okay, so don't stress. You don't want to get worry lines, right? You look good. You're coming in this reading as looking good, so you don't want to ruin that, right? So don't frown, smile. Make sure you have a good happy face. It looks like the universe is gonna come in and protect you here. Okay, the law is gonna be on your side. It's all about what the judge says, right? All right, guys, catch me in the next one. I hope I said something that was helpful. This was a little bit of a confusing reading, but I'm gonna go ahead and throw it out there because I feel like a lot of times when I have readings like this that are a little bit on the confusing side, I do feel that it's because several people are going to be going through a similar situation, but possibly for different reasons, and that's how I end up with these kinds of readings. At least that's what my thinking is, especially when I see your comments about the readings, and then I'm like, oh, see, and then another person's like, well, this is going on. It's like, oh, so same, there's similarities in the story, but for different reasons, okay? All right, guys. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Catch me in the next one. Y'all take care. Bye bye.